That thick black crust coating the inside of your grill? It's not seasoning, it's old grease, carbon, and bacteria, and it's changing the flavor of every single thing you cook. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact same 60-minute deep clean process we use on $1,000 built-in grills for our clients across Dallas-Fort Worth. Step by step, no shortcuts. Hey, I'm Jeff with First Choice Residential. We're a veteran-owned home services company based in the DFW area, and we specialize in professional grill cleaning, outdoor kitchen maintenance, and fireplace service. Today I'm walking you through the complete 60-minute deep clean for a gas grill. The same process our technicians follow in the field. Whether you have a Weber, a Lynx, a Blaze, or a big built-in island setup, these steps apply. By the end, your grill will cook hotter, taste cleaner, and last years longer. Let's get into it. Before you touch the grill, grab everything you need so you're not running back and forth. Here's the short list. A good grill brush, not a wire bristle brush. We'll talk about why in a second. A putty knife or flat scraper, degreaser spray, a bucket of warm soapy water, microfiber cloths, disposable gloves, and a trash bag. Skip the wire brush. Those metal bristles break off, stick to the grates, and end up in your food. We see it constantly. Use a nylon bristle brush or a wooden scraper instead. That alone is a game changer for safety. Turn every burner to high, close the lid, and let the grill run for 15 minutes. This is called a burn-off, and it does two things. First, it carbonizes the leftover grease and food residue so it's brittle and easy to scrape. Second, it kills surface bacteria. Think of it as a self-cleaning oven cycle for your grill. While you wait, this is the perfect time to lay out your supplies and prep your cleaning station. After 15 minutes, turn the burners off and disconnect the propane or shut the gas valve. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. You want it warm, not scorching. Pull the grates out and set them on a flat surface. Old newspaper or a plastic sheet works great. Spray both sides with degreaser and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then scrub with your brush. For cast iron grates, use a stiff nylon brush and avoid soaking them. Cast iron rusts fast if left in water. For stainless steel grates, you can be more aggressive. A crumpled ball of aluminum foil works surprisingly well for stainless. If you see rust on cast iron, don't panic. We have a whole video on that. The key is to scrub both the top cooking surface and the underside. That's where grease accumulates the most and nobody ever cleans it. This is where most people stop, and it's exactly where the real problems hide. Remove the heat plates or flavorizer bars, those metal shields sitting above the burners. Scrape off all the carbon buildup with your putty knife. If they're warped or rusted through, it's time to replace them. They're cheap and easy to swap. Now look at the burner tubes themselves. Check every porthole. Spider webs and insect nests are the #1 cause of uneven flames and hot spots. We find them on almost every grill we service. Use a toothpick or a thin wire to clear each port. Never use water directly on the burners. The firebox is the inside walls and bottom of the grill. This is where all the grease, carbon, and ash collects over months of cooking. Take your putty knife and scrape the walls. That black stuff flaking off is not enamel, it's carbonized grease. Scrape it all down toward the grease tray or drain hole at the bottom. Here's what most people miss: the grease management system. Pull out the drip tray and the grease catch pan. If these are full or clogged, grease backs up into the firebox, and that is the #1 cause of grease fires. I cannot stress this enough. Clean that tray, replace the foil liner if it has one, and make sure the drain hole is clear. Spray the outside. lid, side tables, control panel area with your degreaser. Wipe with a microfiber cloth following the grain of the stainless steel if applicable. Going against the grain causes micro scratches that dull the finish over time. For the control knobs, pull them off and soak them in warm, soapy water. Grease and grime build up behind the knobs and can actually affect how smoothly they turn. Clean the igniter button area too. A lot of my grill won't light problems are just dirty igniter connections. Quick wipe, problem solved. Put the burner covers, heat plates, and grates back in order. Now fire the grill up on medium heat for 5 minutes to dry everything out and burn off any remaining cleaning solution. If you have cast iron grates, this is the time to season them. Grab a paper towel, dip it in vegetable oil or flaxseed oil, and wipe a thin coat onto the grates using tongs. Let it smoke off. This creates a non-stick layer and prevents rust. Do this after every deep clean and your cast iron will last decades. For stainless grates, a light oil wipe also helps prevent sticking during your next cook. Now, if your grill is too far gone, heavy rust, warped parts, years of neglect, this kind of deep clean might not be enough. That's when you call in the pros. At First Choice Residential, we do full grill restorations. We're talking complete disassembly, degreasing, rust treatment, part replacement, and reassembly to like-new condition. If you're in the DFW area, give us a call at 817-791-4606 or visit our website at firstchoiceresidential.com. We'll come to you. That's the full 60-minute deep clean, the same process we use professionally. Grill maintenance is one of those things that feels like a hassle until you taste the difference. A clean grill cooks hotter, more evenly, and the food just tastes better. Period. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. We drop new grill and fireplace content every week. Real tips from real technicians, not some guy reading a manual. Drop a comment if you've got a grill cleaning question, and I'll answer it personally. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.